So what are we doing here?
I'm going to fish out some water out of the well.
Hmm.
So,
and this is what we call a well these days.
that's a drilled well.
It's all of the size of half of a foot. Oh, I heard it.
Yep.
You should put a rock in there.
Yeah. Except I don't want a rock falling out. What I'll do is tape it on.
Hmm. Well,
This worked better before.
so while we're trying to get that out, tell me about the bleach.
Well, you put the bleach in to sterilize the well, the water. They call it shocking the well.
It would be shocking to pull up a cup of bleach.
Yeah, well, it's like 150 gallons of water, and you put a half a gallon of bleach in it, then you let it sit for a while, and then you pump it all out.
This time we have a rock that's been taped around the outside of the can, and we're gonna send it down, see if we can't get it to flip over in the water.
Oh yeah, we got water that time.
Oh, that's a full can of water.
Yeah, that works.
Let's see if there's anything alive in there this time.
I don't think so. Let's see, get it in the sun. There we go.
Let's see.
What do we got in there? Any ants?
No. Looks clean enough.
Just stuff floating around on the top. Should smell.
Doesn't smell bad.
No.
So.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't you dare drink that.
Why?
Hey, your camera, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
I don't see a picture.
I think you could press the screen.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Yeah.
No, don't drink that. There's dirt and stuff floating around in there.
Yeah.
And it does have a little bacteria, so.
Yeah, I don't want to mess with the bacteria, seriously.
I mean, there's not much. Probably you have to drink a lot to get sick.
It doesn't have a smell though, so that's good.
I don't know if you remember when your grandmother she was having a problem with the runs.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yes, that's right.
It's because of the well.
She kept going back to the doctor, and the doctor kept saying, I don't know what's wrong. And then finally somebody said, hey, you know, we drink water from a well underneath the house. And he goes,
my sister said that.
da-dum, that's what's the problem. There's bacteria in your well. And so they shocked the water in the well, and everything returned to normal. No more runs.
But she lived there like 10 years, so you know you have to do this like test it once a year.
Mm-hmm.
And she didn't do that.
Most people think running is healthy. This is the bad kind of running.
Yeah.
On the other end.
Okay, so that's done. Whenever I get the well pump in there, now we pump as much water out as we can. And then we smell it to see if there's any bleach smell. When we get that done, then we take the water and go to the county and get them to test it. Then they'll give me an analysis to tell me what the verdict is.
So don't drink it until it's tested.
Obviously.
He says obviously. I say, what do I know? So what is this now?
Red Russian kale.
Red Russian kale.
And grass.
And so what's going on with this down here? Did a rabbit get in it?
No, I cut it to harvest.
Oh, a human rabbit.
And it will grow back.
So how long does it take to grow back?
I don't know, we'll find out. This is winter time, so it likes winter, but like right now it's loving this, but it'll grow faster, but it you know, slows down when it gets cold. By the way, all this grass Pinnell and I planted.
Wow, really?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And
That's
there's still stumps and stuff.
obviously it gets a lot of sun.
Oh yeah,
Plenty of sun to make it grow.
we planted it when it was still hot. And got some cilantro down here.
I can't see if it sees me or not. No. Sweet.
Yeah, these are not cilantro. I got tons,
That's what my cilantro would look like if it was still growing
Well, plant some.
properly.
Plant some. It's the season.
Yeah, it didn't like it when it was so wet.
Yeah. What we have here? That is, I'm not sure. That might be grass.
Did you start trying to grow something there? I thought you said you were
Yeah.
talking about onions before.
I got some. This is another row of garlic down here.
Oh, garlic. Okay, yeah.
No, wait. No, that's onions. It's supposed to be onions.
Okay, that makes more sense.
But
You told me about the onions.
I think that's an onion, but I'm not sure. Could be a weed. But
This right here is definitely an onion.
yeah,
I know that.
planted that from seed.
I recognize the round leaf structure.
Yeah. Now that looks like grass. Or,
Yeah, that looks like grass or a weed.
Yeah. Go over there. And those are scallions.
Lots of scallions.
They're really nice ones.
Again, that round structure. Yep. I almost stepped on it before.
And over here,
I wasn't sure that he planted anything.
see this right here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that? That's a grass.
What is this?
That's
That's the garlic, isn't
garlic.
it? Yeah. The way it's got the thing coming up. I've got garlic at the house and onions, chives that I planted.
Yeah.
They come up the same way.
Yeah, here's another one right there. They're about every 6 inches.
I like to harvest the leaves to add into
Oh, yeah?
into cooking dishes and stuff because it's much milder than the actual garlic. But same thing for onions. You know, if you plant a big old onion.
And this is, see, I planted all this grass with the thing that you crank, and
Right,
it
yeah.
just got everywhere.
What's up with this
Everywhere.
over here?
This is spinach.
Oh,
Grab
so
you one.
this is baby leaf spinach at this point.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm going to look on the backside, make sure there's nothing crawling around.
Extra protein. Oh yeah, that's spinach, all right.
It's good.
A lot of it too.
Yeah, hopefully.
Looks like you'll have a really good crop as long as nothing gets out here to eat it.
Yeah, that's what this is on there for. At least keep the deer out. Now, it won't keep out the rabbits.
Yeah. That's cool.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
It's kind of an experimental garden. It's
I wouldn't say it's very experimental. I'd say it's doing very well.
And if you want some kale to take home, I've got something we can pick it.
So that's a farm.
Yep.
Little mini farm.
Yep.
Bye.